Hi everyone, today's video I will guide on you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every app to date if that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first of all, I have to do is dive into business busy.com as you can see, and this is the home page. We have here various information about PC, but if you want to start with it, you have just to click over incorporate now, and then you click over here confirm. You have start, and the first step you have to select LLC and entity type, and about states you have to choose Texas, of course, as I did. About if we scroll down, we have here also other things, but before that I will say first, what is an LLC or limited liability company? So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So this is what is LLC. So after choose your entity type and your state, you scroll down and you will find here three packages. You will choose between us. So the first one we have basic. So it's free, but you have to pay for state fee. It's $300 and it's for weeks. And about characteristic, we have preparing and filling the articles of organization, free first year registered agent service, and nope, we have online access dashboard, business banking account, offer, business tax consultation. About the second package, we have the same thing, but we have also business tax number, and we have operating agreement, we have lifetime compliance alerts, we have unlimited phone and email support, and then we have the last thing here is from 2553. But the last package is $299 plus 300 state free, and about the standard we have $199 plus 300 state fee. About this, the last package we have it's premium, so it's only 2 days. So about this one, we have the same thing, but we have expedited phone and business contract templates, and also we have domain name plus business email. So you have just to choose your package and you click over get started. As you can see, then we have here company information. So the first things you have to write your LLC name. For example, let's write Mike, and you designate to choose LLC, and then you click over next, and we have the next page. It's state phone time. So we have the typical state phone time for Texas is 4 weeks. In a hurry, Texas offers unexpected phone option was well. Select the phone time that best meets your needs. So we have the first one, we have fast here, 2 business days phone time, and we have the second one, it's for free, 4 weeks phone time. So let's choose the first one and let's click on over next. And we have the second, the next one I mean, and it's contact person. Please provide the name of the person responsible for this order whom may contact if additional information is needed. So you write your first name, last name, and your email address, and then you choose your country as you can see. Then you click over next. After that, we have company address information. About this one, you will choose between professional business address and virtual mail service, or you can use my own address. About these things, we have here benefits of using a private virtual mail address, keeping your personal address confidential, real-time text and email notifications of any incoming mail, maintaining a physical presence even if you are not physically there, permanent digital access to your mail anywhere in the world. So let's choose the first one, but it's $29 per month. And if you choose the first one, you have to write your contact address also. But about the second one, you have to write your street company address, your street address, your address here, your city, and you select your state. Of course, I will choose Texas, and your zip code also, and then you click over next. Then you enter it here, and then we have premium service package. About this one, you have just to pay $99, and you click over get limit. Then we have please provide members information for my LLC. So we have a number of members here. Choose one because I work individually. So you can see, then you click over personal information and you link it. Then you click over next. Then we have registered agent information. We have your Texas requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. You have typical documents received by your registered agent can include, so we choose the first one, assign busy as my registered agent fee for 1 year, or I would like to act as my own registered agent. So let's choose the first one and click over next. About the next step, we have tax identification number information. An employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the heirs and used to identify taxpayers. Will apply and obtain your N from the heirs electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the N. So I will choose yes. Here we have I am a foreign individual and do not have a social security number. I click over yes and I click over agree, and I will write my personal information. Then I will click over next again. About this step, it's setting up small businesses banking. About this one, you have just to read this information. Then if you are interested, you click over yes, I'm interested. Then we have the next step is tax strategy and free consultation. This consultation can help you identify important tax deductions and provide insight into the heirs tax classification of your new business. The offer is completely free of charge and does not obligate you in any way. So what you will learn: how your LLC is taxed, how to choose proper RC tax election, commonly missed tax deduction. So you click over I'm not interested at this time, or yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation free. And then you click over next. We have business licenses and permits. So you have to read this information like team of licenses specialists will conduct the research for you. We will determine all the licenses and permits you need to stay compliant. Receive the applications along with a guide to the next steps via email. So I will choose the first one. No thanks, I will do the work myself, because the second one we have to pay $99, and we click over next, and we have here order summary for. So you have to edit your personal information like contact info if you did a mistake before. So we click over edit and you modify your mistake, and enjoy agent info, company info, company address, contact address, member info. Then if you're done with that, you click over next. Then we have the last step, it's bill information. Choose people or you choose credit card, and then you click over credit card information, and we have card number here, expiry date. You just have to rate it, and then if you're done, you have just to click over complete and pay, and we have here total. You have to click over I agree. You have your total of your price that you have to pay. So additional explanation we have here, what is the cancellation policy for my order. So you have to answer here if you click here, and we have can I edit my order after it's been placed, what happens after I pay, how can I track my order. So this information is important to know it. So this is how it works with PC guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.